Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to chat on Google Chat by iPhone or iOS. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the applications of Google Chat and open the applications first, and after that there is the first page of the Google Chat, and now you can either do or continue the previous chat that you already have before with someone that you already add, or you can create the new one by click the new chat here. So let's say we want to re-chat or chat again the previous contact that didn't respond our message by click or type another things. Okay, and after that just click send, or if you want to create a new chat just click the new chat, and now you can see there is your friends that online here. It is assembled by the green color over here, and you just click it, and then you can just see that your friends already chatted you before. You can either accept or ignore it. Let's accept it to have a chat with, and then just reply their chat, and then just click send. Okay, so that's how you chat or do a chat on Google Chat Room. If you find that this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.